The whole continent of Africa came together in early 2018 and had a discussion that why can't we have a free trade area? The implication of that is that you can sell your handmade shoes all the way from Nigeria and move it down to Tanzania, for example, without paying any extra. I was inspired to contribute to this wonderful initiative because I saw it as a gap to fill. I saw it as a reason to interact with further minds on how to bring this idea into fruition, the idea of the African free continental trade area, which was a very fantastic idea, and I felt it was an opportunity to be one of the pioneers to ensure that this idea reaches its global relevance.
Then the challenge helped me to all my problem-solving skills, ability to talk to much crowd or a very large audience.
Good day everyone, I'm Adekunle Ajasin, a member of AFEL Economic Impact.
What really inspired me to participate in this competition was that I wanted to have more knowledge and have more experience and do practical things. Participation in this challenge built my confidence because during the time when we went to the farm, I could easily interact with other people.
I had to focus more on research and development, which we could actually gather more information to get us to the final stage.
This cannon now is different kind of oil in this cannon.
Okay.
The oil that we used to eat.
This has helped the local women around us here, especially in Akumba Akoko, to know about AFCTA, and we believe that this has actually created awareness among these women, and we believe that by the time this program or policy is implemented, these people will be able to grab it and make efficient use of it.
My contribution in the AFEL competition made me to properly work with others to achieve a particular aim, and also how to work properly on challenges.